Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to archive and unarchive chats on WhatsApp web. First, open your preferred web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Scan the QR code with your phone to link your account. Next, locate the chat you want to archive. Hover your cursor over the chat to make the drop-down arrow appear. Click the drop-down arrow and select Archive Chat. The chat will now be moved to the Archived section, decluttering your main chat list. To unarchive a chat, go to the Archived section at the top of your chat list. Click to open it and find the chat you want to restore. Hover over the chat, click the drop-down arrow, and select Unarchive. Your chat will return to the main chat list. Remember, archiving does not delete your chat. You can unarchive it anytime, and if a new message arrives, it automatically returns to the main list. And that's it. You can now manage your chats efficiently on WhatsApp web. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.